equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. At this point, you may notice some dust and debris inside. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth to ensure your vacuum operates efficiently. If you find this task a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. Before installing the new trigger, take a moment to compare it with the old one to ensure it's the correct part. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you get the right components for your Dyson. Insert the new trigger into the handle, making sure it fits snugly. Once it's in place, reattach the clip to secure it. This step is crucial as it ensures the trigger functions properly. After securing the trigger, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to avoid any loose parts. Once the handle is back together, give it a quick test. Press the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, give your Dyson V10 a thorough clean, focusing on the filters and dust canister. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide a no-calls, no-travel service, making it easy for you to keep your vacuum in top shape. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson V10 is a straightforward process that can enhance its performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you feel this is too hard, remember we are here to help with our professional services. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.